Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The marquee tools that appear within the toolbox and the tool options bar let you select basic shapes. You can create a selection that is a rectangle or an oval. To make a selection using one of these tools, first select the Marquee Tools button in the toolbox, and then select either the rectangular marquee tool or the elliptical marquee tool from the tool options bar. Then click and drag from one corner of the selection area to the other, releasing the mouse button when finished. The Tool Options bar shows the options for making selections after selecting one of the marquee tools in the Toolbox and Tool Options bar. First, ensure you have chosen the correct image layer in the Layers panel within which you want to make selections. Then click the desired marquee tool button you want to use within the toolbox and, if needed, the Tool Options bar. Next, use the Tool Options bar to specify which selection setting you want to use: New Selection, Add to Selection, Subtract from Selection, or Intersect with Selection. After you have clicked the desired button in the Tool Options bar, you can then select a feathering option for the selection by adjusting the feather slider or by typing the width of the border in pixels that should be feathered. Feathering softens the selection border so that it isn't clean and crisp. If you are using the elliptical marquee tool, you can also check or uncheck the anti-aliasing checkbox to help smooth rounded edges and pixel selections if needed. Next, select an aspect ratio by using the aspect dropdown. If you select normal, you can create a selection marquee of any desired height to width ratio by simply clicking and dragging. If you select the fixed ratio, enter a desired height to width ratio in the height and width text boxes. When you click and drag to draw the selection, the height to width ratio entered here will remain intact as you drag the selection marquee. If you select Fixed Size, enter the specific size in pixels into the height and width text boxes. You will not have to click and drag to make your selection, but rather you will click once to create a selection of the exact size you specified. To create a normal pixel selection, click and drag over the area you want to select. If you hold down the Shift key on your keyboard after you begin to draw the marquee selection, it will draw a perfect square if using the rectangular marquee tool, or a perfect circle if using the elliptical marquee tool.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.